Welcome back to the channel, guys. Somebody in one of my recent videos asked me how to automate separating your Midjourney grids into single images through Photoshop. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, this is where it is. We're going to start out with this. This is your normal 4-image grid that you get from Midjourney. These are automatically sized to 28 by 444. So the first thing you need to do is, where this is all done through actions and automate. So you're going to come over here to the side in your actions bar and you want to create a new folder. At least you don't have to, but I would recommend it. We're going to call this Midjourney. And then after you get that, then you want to create a new action. So you come down here, there's this little square button. You click on that, and that's your new action. We're going to call it, let's call it separation. I think I spelled it wrong, but we don't care. And once you hit the record button, this is when it starts to record that automation. So first thing is, you want to create a new guide. So you come up here to the view, and you come to guide, and you click on new guide. And since I said these are at 28,444, we're going to separate in half. So it's 14 by 222. And that's going to create a horizontal guide down the center line right here. And we're going to do another one. Another new guide. Where it says it's going to be vertical. 14.222. And you click on OK. And you're going to come over here. And normally, this will be the crop tool. You're going to click and get the slice tool. And you want to come up and see where it says slice from guides. So you cut a slice from guides. So now it's cut them in half, cut them into your 4 images. But you have to now save these. So we come over to the file. We click save for web. Get it so that we can see all of them. And that's So now you can see all 4 of them. We click on save, but before we're done, you want to make sure that this section here says slices, and you want to make sure it says all slices. So we're going to click save, and it is now cutting them into 4 slices. So this one's done. So to show you, there they are. So now let's just go ahead and try that again. We'll do an automate section, but now that it's done, we can stop this recording. So you click on the square button, and that's it. So let's out of that. Say no. All right, so now let's open up the new images that we're going to do. So we'll try these. So now we're going to do our automate. Everything's ready to go. And basically you come up here to file when you want to automate. Come down to automate. We click on batch. It should already have your Midjourney section set, but if you've got to set something other than that, like I have a few over here called resize and AI, but it's set to Midjourney, and then make sure your action is set on separation. The source will be open files. Your destination will be none, because you're wanting to, it's going to automatically save them to where we saved them out previously. And we just click OK. And we wait a few seconds. And that is it. And these have all been saved, and they're ready to go. And just to prove it to you, come over here to the images. They're all, whoops, there they are. They're all cut and ready for you to list on Etsy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.